Today I have an unusual question for you. Did you know that the French and American Franz-Olivier Giesbert, who is journalist, editorial biographer, television presenter and writer, could have been mayor of Rouen? In the 1970s, Jean Lecanuet, then mayor of Rouen, made a unique proposal to Franz-Olivier Giesbert. Succeed him as mayor of the city. But how did this idea arise in the mind of the mayor at the time? Franz-Olivier Giesbert revealed some answers on the French radio RTL. His mother and Jean Lecanuet were great friends since they had studied and joined the resistance together. To this, we must add that he had taken out his Socialist Party card just after Mitterrand's defeat in 1974. However, he asserts that he had no political ambitions. Yet it was Jean Lecanuet who was the first to whisper this political possibility in his ear. But this will remain a simple hypothesis, because Franz-Olivier Giesbert will not follow up and will prefer to continue his job as a journalist.